Okay, just another update. Today is Sunday, September 15th, 2024. And I did a little bit since the last video on the generator shed. Come on, Jake. So we can show it. I'd rather just do short clips than long ones. All right. Put the roof on. So that's all done. Just need to get the corrugated roofing on there. And put the side of the T111 up. So that's good. And I did this side. And here's the inside so far. And I got to do the other side. I got to finish this one, of course. And then I have to build the doors that go in here. And side the sides there. And on this side, let me move this. On this side, I'm going to have I wanted to get a window, but I can't find a 10 by 24 that slides. So I'd be able to have a window there and slide it sideways to get in. So what I'm going to do is, this isn't it, but something like this let's see if I can do this. It'll come across like this, and I'll be able to open it and then get into where I need to get into. So that's that. And Jakey's chewing on a branch. Right where he is where that tank's gonna go. And up there, I love rhododendron, but they're not good for the dogs, so they're coming out along with those 4 birches that I'll use for firewood and clear that area out, because that's where the solar array is gonna go. And I have all the material to do that. So 2x6 framing and 4x6 posts, if you will, that go in, and all the hardware, and then these things to connect the panels to. So they'll be going up there. And that's about it. You ready, Mr. Jake? Come on. Jake, come. Good boy. You'll come. All right, come on. Oh, this Milwaukee, the hell you call it, level was really great. It went right across everything. So, all right, nothing major. That's that. Flag standing tall so far. Beautiful day. Probably 72-ish, 3-ish. And until next time, God bless.